Hi guys. So you could see the hair. Look. Anyways, I would share two things that broke my heart today. First thing is I wish we had public servants who walang kinikilingan. Public servants who aren't tied with self-interest or something like that. I don't know what's kinikilingan. What's the English of kinikilingan, but that's what broke my heart today. I hope that we had public servants who walang kinikilingan. And the second thing that broke my heart today is uh, I don't know if I should share this because it's going to be too personal and it should be private between my family, but something that I can share, not too personal. It just broke my heart that it breaks my heart that maybe it's because I don't know how to share this. But ano na lang. 60 people who are 60 years old shouldn't be working. That's all I'm gonna say. People who are 60 years old shouldn't be working. They should be resting. Should be enjoying with their family. And yeah, that's all I could share because it's just like I don't wanna make it too personal and like I'm not trauma dump all my feelings to you guys, but yeah, that's something. 6 years old aren't supposed to work anymore, and young people should be driven. They should be driven, and young people should have opportunities. So 60-year-old people don't have to work. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I just shared today about the first thing is about other people, but the second thing is more personal. Although it's also personal, the first thing, because we're part of the community. So yeah. Yo yo yo. But yeah, the sometimes you just have to pray. The only answer is prayer. Maybe God will listen. God always listen, but sometimes He works based on His will. And everything is in control. You don't have to worry, but you have to pray because maybe you need to pray harder so that something inside you changes and you're ready to receive the thing you're praying for. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna share for today. Although I'm heartbroken from the things that happened today, it don't show, but that's more scary. Yeah, so much heartbreak, but so much joy from the Lord. I think that's just it. And yeah, it's already 5 minutes, so that's enough talking. So bye bye. I hope you guys are okay. Mm, although there's no one who sees my videos, at least it feels freeing to do videos without people seeing it. And yeah, that would be all. Bye bye.